Good morning, children. My name is Yehoshua. I am a chemistry teacher. Today, I would like to explain about what is meant by boiling. Before we go into the topic, let us see what are the topics we have to discuss today. First one is definition. Second one is boiling point. And third one is examples. Now, look at the definition. The process of conversion of a liquid into gas by absorbing heat energy, which means, for example, water. Initially, it is exist in liquid state. After absorption of certain amount of heat, changes to gas state. Next one is examples. Boiling of water, boiling of egg, boiling of tea or coffee, etc. Next one is boiling point. The temperature at which liquid changes into gas on heating under normal atmospheric pressure. Next one is examples. The boiling point of water is 373 Kelvin. The boiling point of nitrogen is 77 Kelvin. The boiling point of alcohol is 351 Kelvin, etc. Next one is note. If impurities are added, then boiling point of the substance increases.